Kindergarten Weekly Video Log from the 14th to the 17th of April. We are now in the second week of school reopening and we are delighted at how well our kindergarten students are settling in. From shy smiles on the first day to confident steps into the classroom, it's heartwarming to see their growing comfort and excitement. Our little learners are getting used to the routines, making new friends and exploring the learning environment with curiosity and joy. We have Ms. Nivedana from the pre-KG section to share what the tiny tots were up to this week.
This week, the pre-KG students were actively engaged in fun-filled fine motor activities like tearing, crumpling, doodling, peeling and sticking. Tearing and crumpling papers boosted their grip and control, while doodling encouraged creativity. Peeling developed their concentration and finger grip, while pasting the peeled pieces fostered spatial awareness. These hands-on tasks help in strengthening their finger muscles and improving hand-eye coordination in a playful way. Besides this, the children practiced greeting each other with smile and confidence, learned to sit in a circle and walk in a line with guidance. The tiny tots participated enthusiastically and expressed joy in exploring fun-filled learning engagements.
Ms. Iram will give us a brief synopsis of how our KG1 students were engaged this week.
We have had a fun and busy week with our little KG1 learners. The children were full of energy and excitement as they took part in various hands-on activities. What they enjoyed the most was the spin the wheel game, where they looked at the picture, named, identified and illustrated them. They had a great time doing so. We also did plenty of cutting, tearing and pasting activities which helped them to boost their fine motor skills. As always, craft time was a big hit and it was amazing to see their creativity shine through in everything they made. We also continued spending some time talking about our class agreements and daily routines.
We now proudly present our first batch of students from KG2A to share their learning with you.
We recapped single sounds and practiced blending and reading CVC words in literacy. This week, we learned a new story called Funny Bones. We understood the characters and the setting of the story. We learn new words like skeleton, funny, town, dark street, cellar, staircase, house, big, little and dog.
This week in numeracy, we learned the concept of height. We understood that height is measured when a person or an object is standing. We use non-standard units like handspans, unifix cubes, blocks and ribbons to measure height.
In UW, we learned about the stages of human growth. We discussed the different stages such as infant, toddler, child, teenager, adult and elderly. We had fun doing activities related to how people grow. We learned that people change at each stage and every stage is important.
As we wrap up this week of school, we are filled with pride and joy seeing our kindergarten children growing more confident each day. Their smiles, laughter and enthusiasm remind us why these early years are so special. A heartfelt thank you to our teachers and parents for their continued support and encouragement. Together, we are building a strong foundation for a wonderful year ahead. Stay tuned. We will be back next week with more magical moments from the kindergarten section. Until then, please take care. Bye-bye.